guys, in today's video we are going to be making a what's that? Well, in today's video we are going to be making a sheep farm. For our materials, first we need fence. We're going to be making our sheep farm a little bit different than others, okay guys? So, some people might not like it, but how I'm going to be making it today is the way that I like to build my farms. Okay guys? Okay. So we got our fence and the steel. Now, we need to go here and grab us some wood. Doesn't matter what type you use. I'm using. And then everyone. But because there's so many different colors of sheeps, why not I just use it of my main color for my profile picture, which is purple. So let's go. Let's go here. Go here. Okay, we're gonna be using white because the theme for this. Okay. First, right here. Now we have these bells. Right there. And it's a small one. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be lined up. Let's see. Yes. 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 So first, we're gonna add the fence lining, which is gonna go right here. Right. These up one, and these on top of each. This and front. Okay. So it's a little both of these. Okay. Because, as I said in the beginning of the video, you don't have to do it exactly how I am. You can make yours however you want. I'm just showing an example how I like to build mine. Okay, guys? Which I've been doing Minecraft for 2 years now. And I'm really happy that, Minecraft is a thing because it brings people together sometimes. Shows some people, like, I don't really know how to explain it, but like some people that don't know what to do, or like they don't like other games that other kids don't, that like Fortnite, Madden, Roblox, but this is like all of them in one. This is like real life. And that's what I love about this, because it shows personal reality. And it shows stuff that you like to do. Okay? Let's add it. Okay. Oh, let me get out. Okay. Today's video. Bye, guys.